Hi everybody, Marco Carvalho here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today's video, we're going to talk about a new Net 30 account to build business credit. This new Net 30 vendor reports to multiple business credit reporting agencies. You can get up to a $5,000 credit line, and what's unique about this one is that it's revolving. It allows you to not only you have the option to pay off your invoice in 30 days via Net 30, or you can actually carry a revolving balance with this credit line. So let's get started on this brand new Net 30 vendor that'll help you build business credit. So why are Net 30 accounts important for you? You may be watching this video for the very first time. Just gonna want to go over the quick 5 major benefits. Number one, a Net 30 account allows you to purchase on credit with 30-day payment terms with the vendor, so you can buy products and services your company may need and defer payment for 30 days. So that allows you to conserve your cash flow. And it's basically a zero interest loan for up to 30 days. So you're buying on credit and then you pay it off in 30 days. This helps you establish business credit with business credit reporting agencies like Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Business, Experian Commercial, Credit Safe, etc. So when you build up your business credit report, this allows, when you apply for additional credit, this allows other companies, vendors, lenders, credit issuers to review your company's credit history to assess if your company's credit worthy. So if you're tired of always using your personal credit when it comes to applying for different types of credit for your company, that's why it's important to establish and build up a business credit report. This will also protect your personal credit. With a lot of Net 30 vendors, they don't pull your credit. They also don't report your personal credit, and it also limits your personal liability. This particular Net 30 vendor, there's no personal guarantee, so there's no liability to you. This is issued completely to your business. So let's get started with this brand new Net 30 vendor. It's called Good Neon. You can apply at http://net30neon.com, but don't go there yet, because I'm going to walk you through how to qualify for this, how to get $2,000 to $5,000, and even if you don't meet their requirements, I'm going to share with you how to actually get qualified. Step by step, this is a revolving credit line, so you can use your credit limit and pay it off in full in 30 days with zero interest. You also have the option, if you want to carry a balance up to your credit limit. Just operates just like a credit card, but you can use this only at Good Neon, their store. So it's like a store credit line. There's no membership fee to apply for this credit line, and there's no personal credit check on you, and there's no personal guarantee. This reports to DMB, Equifax Business, Small Business Financial Exchange, and Credit Safe. So these are multiple business credit bureaus. SBFE is a data warehouse that many business credit bureaus pull data from to create credit reports, but this also reports directly to DMB at Equifax. Okay, so what other minimum requirements at Good Neon? First of all, you have to have a DMB profile with 2 trade lines reporting, or a Credit Safe profile. So they're going to run a business credit check on your DMB profile. If you don't have your DMB profile established, you don't have 2 trade lines reporting, that's okay. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to get 2 trade lines on your DMB report so you can qualify for this additional Net 30 account. And you also have 90 days of payment history on your DMB report. So it's one thing to get 2 trade lines reporting, but you also have to have 90 days of payment history. So have those accounts open for at least 90 days before you apply. So that's as simple as it is. They'll issue a $2,000 to $5,000 credit limit. It takes about 2 to 3 days for them to do underwriting approval. So if they don't find trade lines reporting on your DMB report, they're going to run a Credit Safe report as well. If they don't find any trade lines reporting, those 2 minimum trade lines, then they're going to deny you. So you want to make sure you meet these requirements before you apply. Now right here is a sample. This is actually the email you receive in 2 to 3 days saying that you're approved. You just sign your agreement to activate your credit line. So I want to share with you, what is Good Neon? What do they actually offer? They offer signage for your company, as well as they have art gallery. Okay, so in their shop, they have quite a few things. If you're looking for a wall art for your office, they have so many different types of galleries here. What's really cool too is you can also create your own neon sign. So let me just share with you, once you get approved, I want to walk you through what your actual account's going to look like. So here's our account here. We have a $5,000 credit line. When you log in, you get your approved credit line. Then you're going to go to, you can first create your own sign, like I said, when you're logged in. And let's just say your company is called Corp. You can do it all caps if you want, Corp, Inc. Just an example. And you can actually, this is going to be a neon sign you can hang in your office or something like that. You could choose the colors you want. You could change the fonts. It's kind of really neat, but this is one way you could create your own neon sign for your company, and you can order it. But let's say you want to shop and you're logged in. So let me walk you through. Once you have your approved credit line, let's say I want to buy this, and of course, they have all these different signs that you can carry at your business. So there's a huge variety here. But let's say I like this Hulk sign. I think it's pretty cool. Want to put it in my office. So what's neat is this actually lights up the eyes here. And let's say I want to have a dimmer switch added to it. So this costs $109. I want to add it to my cart. So I'm going to click it to my cart right here. This is what I'm ordering right here. There's the dimensions. And now I want to check out. So I'm logged in. You can see right here, this is the purchase. And you'll see complete my shipping address, and then right here is I want to use my available credit, right? So I just click on this, and you'll see right here is the way this particular vendor works is every order you have to put 20% down of whatever your order is. So you can see right here at checkout, it was $109, but they want me to pay $21, which is your 20%, and then the credit line, $87 is going to be put on my credit, all right? So now I have the option in 30 days to pay that $87 off with no interest, or I can carry a balance. And the minimum monthly payment is they have with their revolving credit is 5% or $25, whichever is greater. So if you have a $5,000 or a $3,000 bill, you're carrying a balance, and you're gonna have the minimum payment is 5% or $25, whichever is greater. And here's the payment method to pay for my $21. Once I do that, I process my order. So that's how simple it is to use your credit line once you have it. So this is really exciting because this is a great way for you to, it's a new type of vendor where they're actually offering a revolving credit line. But what I want to do now is I want to go over with you, what do you do if you don't have these trade lines with DMB? What do you do? So I'm going to share with you how step-by-step 2 vendors you can get that report to DMB. Really simple, real quick. One of them is Shirtsy. So Shirtsy, you go to net30account.com. Make sure you type in HTTP in your browser window, not the S, because this is basically a domain that forwards right to them. Obviously, they know that you're coming from our YouTube video here, so they process your application really quick, really simple. They have a $99 setup fee, a $2,000 credit limit that they'll issue you using this link. No personal credit check whatsoever. There's no personal guarantee with Shirtsy, and they report to DMB, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. This is Shirtsy right here, and they offer so many different products. You can customize your products, shirts, clothes, mugs, promotional items. Really simple. You just click apply for Net30 here. And then I'll take you to the application, and it's really simple to get set up with them. So that's your first trade line you can get. Now remember, getting approved is one thing. You have to place an order. So you have to buy something for them to generate an invoice, and then they can report your payment to Dun & Bradstreet. And then you'll see that trade line reporting if you're using like a monitoring service. But this is the first trade line is Shirtsy. There's no credit check, no PG on this one. Now, how do you add your second trade line? Your second trade line, you're going to use a company called Crown Office Supplies. Again, same thing. Make sure you type in HTTP, not an S, because this is just forwarding you to their particular Net30 application, which is right here. And that's all you do is fill it out right here. This will take you right to it. And they know, again, you're coming from our YouTube channel. This is a vendor that charges a $99 setup fee to get their Net30 account. They offer you another $2,000 credit limit. Same as Shirtsy. No personal credit check, no personal guarantee for you as a business. This also reports to DMB, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. So although both of these vendors that I'm sharing with you here will report to DMB, you're also establishing your business credit file with other credit bureaus like Equifax and Experian. Once you have these two particular accounts, if let's say you didn't have them before, now you could go to Good Neon because you've got your 2 trade lines reporting. Make sure they're reporting to DMB and make sure you wait 90 days, you have payment history before you actually go apply for your third Net30 vendor account, which is Good Neon here. And that's where you go HTTP again, net30neon.com. Well, this is kind of a step-by-step how you, that's 3 trade lines. If you found this video real helpful, give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe tab. That way you're always notified when we're sharing with you new vendors that are coming out, how to build up your business credit, how to obtain funding for your company. Whether you're a startup, small business owner, or real estate investor, check out our website also, Business Credit Builders with an S.org. With that, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.